Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to today's video. In the last video, we talked about how to change a kinship on FamilySearch.org, and today we're going to do that same thing in Ancestry and make some more additions to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our tree, and we're going to go to the Jones family tree, and we know that we're going to edit my kinship to Joe Jones. So we're going to click on my name. Now, if I go here, there's not an option. If I click on Quick Edit, again, there's not an option. Hint, hint. If I click on search, of course, it's just going to search for my name. So I have to click on profile. So if I click on profile, there's tools where I can view in the tree, member connect and stuff like that, merge duplicates, but that's not really the case. I want to go to here where it says edit up at the top right. Now, if you click quick edit, it brings you up to that little quick edit pop-up box we saw before. We want to go to the next one that says edit relationships. When we click on that, it brings up and says Joe Jones biological, Linda Wright biological, because it assumes that since we started our tree with them, that they're a biological family. So in the case of Joe Jones, he is an adopted father. So I'm going to make this change and see the check mark and it went away. That means that it took the change. Now, I can add an alternative father. So I can actually add in right here Dwight Basie. Dwight Basie was the father when I was born. So Dwight Neil Basie. Okay, there's no matches in my tree, so we're going to add a new person, and this person is not living and they're not a Jones. So Dwight Neil Basie. All right, and don't know the birth date off the top of the head. I do know that he died 2002. All right, so we're going to save that. So this person's now in here. So now it's made him the biological father. But as we talked in the other video, Dwight was married to my mother when I was born. He never officially adopted me. So technically, he would be my stepfather. Even though for all practical purposes, I have a birth certificate that lists him as my biological father. I have one, a birth certificate that lists Joe Bob Jones as my biological father. In fact, that's actually my current one. And then my biological father is yet another one, and that will be Larkin Brown. So we'll add a new person. And we'll put in here Larkin, whoops, capital, Larkin, Daniel, and then, again, Brown. Yeah, you can see with all of the different things I have in there, it's like keeps asking for a Jones because I'm a Jones, but that's not the case. So 1999 was when he died, born in 1935. So here we go. So now Larkin is actually going to be my biological. And so I'm going to go here, and so I say make preferred. It's going to actually change the tree we're working on. So we're going to take a look at that now. So we're going to go back to the tree, go to the Jones family tree. And now see how it's got Larkin Brown as the preferred. And if you remember the video we had before about the potential mother, potential father. So that's all we have for this one. If you want to edit a relationship, you click on the person, okay? And then you're going to have to go to profile because none of these other options will do it. Hint for Ancestry. And then you go up to the top right hand corner, click on edit and edit relationships. And you can see in there, we now correctly have Dwight Basie listed as a stepfather because he never adopted me. Now, that would be a really curious question. He could go as an adopted father or other. I don't know. Maybe somebody out there knows. So then Joe Jones actually adopted me after mother, divorced Dwight Basie. And then Larkin is my biological father as proven by DNA. So there you have it. That's how to edit the kinships. Hope this helped. Kind of short one, but we want to make some that are really short and to the point because people are looking for how to do specific things, and we want these videos to be, something that'll be long term and be able to help people as they're using Ancestry. Because I believe that's probably going to stay the same for quite a while. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't clicked the bell notifications, don't forget to do so. And we'll talk to you again soon.